Beautiful 2-story, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home with open floor plan, living room and kitchen west/eating bar, situated in a quiet and highly desirable Centralia neighborhood. Spacious master bedroom west/walk-in closet and master bath. Home has HB west/furnace and garage. Large, fenced backyard with privacy. Backyard also features a garden space area and a fruit tree with several varieties of apples. No HOA. Attached 2-car garage. Asphalt driveway from Kristine Ct to your next home is your driveway, not a shared driveway. Close to I-5 for commuting north or south, hospital, shopping and parks. Move this to the top of your list, it will go fast.